You're most welcome to my YouTube channel once again. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda. But in today's video, we're going to look at how to lose belly fats, how to lose your big tummy, how to lose weight. Because I realize that, men, these days, you don't last longer in bed because you are too fat, because you have belly fats, because you are heavy. So it will be easier for you to be powerful like a horse when you are somehow slim, when you don't have heavy weight, when you don't have belly fats. So I'll be uploading some videos whereby they help you to bring back your performance. Trust me, if you're not too fat, if you don't have big tummy, big stomach, your performance will be good. So I've brought you one of the recipes you can use at home in order to lose belly fats, in order to get flat tummy, in order to lose weight without exercising. Because men, you fear to exercise. So I decided to come and show you how you can use chia seeds to get a flat tummy, to lose weight, to lose your big stomach, and you become very presentable man. Remember, if you have a big stomach, you cannot take good boxing during bedtime. But if you have a flat tummy like mine, my dear, performance will be better. So you need to know how to make such amazing home remedy at home. And of course, this video is for men and women and also children. So you are free to share to your friends, women, ladies, children, to different groups. Okay? But guys, I told you, if you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube. Look for the YouTube channel called Easy Tips 256. Is my YouTube channel. Also, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Remember, liking, subscribing is for free. Remember, our target is to learn how to use chia seeds in order to get a flat tummy, getting nice structure, losing big weight or losing heavy weight. So this is what you need, first of all, to proceed with your home remedy, which will burn fats, which will give you flat tummy, which will help you to lose weight without exercising. So get for me chia seeds, any type of chia seeds, but as long as you have chia seeds. But before I proceed, please give a like to this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course, invite your friends to this YouTube channel, whereby you find educative videos only on my YouTube channel. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. You're going to get only 1 tablespoon from your chia seeds, as you see, guys. Follow the instructions carefully so that you cannot make any problem during your preparation. You need also a tiffin or a cup, but right now I'm going to use this one. Yes, and 1 tablespoon. And you add 1 tablespoon. But remember, I'm using a small spoon. It means I'm going to add 2 spoons of the small one to make up 1 bigger spoon. So we add only 2. These ones. But if you're using a bigger spoon, use only 1 spoon. If you're using this one, the small ones, use 2. Okay, to make 1. But you just need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Trust me, chia seeds, when it comes to burning belly fats, giving you flat tummy, my dear, this is what you need for you to proceed with good life, for you to proceed with nice looking figure as a man, as a woman, and at the same time to your children. So from there, get for me 1 cup of warm water. It means we are going to measure 1 cup of warm water for this home recipe to take place. So don't make a mistake. Don't add 2 cups, 3 cups, only 1 cup of warm water. Trust me, your belly fats will be gone forever. This makes it easier to burn belly fats, to give you a flat tummy, and of course at the same time to lose weight. So 1 cup of warm water. 1 cup, you measure. Only 1 cup is enough, guys. This is enough. As I told you, we need 1 cup of warm water. Now from that, I want you to bring your warm water to the container which contains your chia seeds. Now from there, you're going to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, 10 to 15 minutes. So it means you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes for this home remedy to take place, as you see, guys. Very interesting, very effective for you to lose belly fats, to get flat tummy, to lose weight without stressing yourself. Guys, I told you my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? So if you love this video, give it a like, subscribe, invite your friends to my YouTube channel. And of course, if you're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for my YouTube channel. Because on YouTube, I always upload videos on my YouTube channel. Now, after 10 minutes, you get from me lemon. We want to add also 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay? You can get only 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to add 2 spoons to come up with 1 tablespoon, a full 1 tablespoon, because this is a small spoon. So I'm going to add 2 to come up with 1. Okay? But don't forget to add only 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This is very effective for you to lose belly fats, to lose weight, and to get a flat tummy. So, of course, we are done. From there, don't forget to mix a bit. Mix a bit. Mix a bit. We need natural honey. Yeah, natural honey, you're going to add also 1 tablespoon. Yes, also 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Also 1 tablespoon. This is enough, guys. Of course, mix again, guys. Now the next ingredient is cinnamon powder. Okay, cinnamon powder. You're going to add also 1 small spoon. This one you add, if you have a bigger spoon, you add a half of it. But because I have this one which is smaller, I'm going to add only 1. But for if you're using a bigger spoon, you add a half of it. Yeah? Half spoon. This is enough. Mix again. Very interesting. Trust me, this is very powerful. It helps to lose belly fats, losing weight without stressing yourself, guys. Okay. This is somewhat easier. So I'm going to do like this. So bring it here. Good. So this is our home remedy for you to lose weight, to get a flat tummy, to lose belly fats without stressing yourself, without exercising. So you need only 1 glass, as you see. Yes, why not? Like the video, comment, subscribe. This is what you need for you to get a flat tummy. This is what you need for you to get nice looking structure. This is what you need for you to be a horse during bedtime. I told you, a real man, if you have a big stomach or you have heavy weight, you are too fat, my dear, even your performance will become low. That's why slim men, they function very well in bed. So if you have a flat tummy, kongs. If you have fat, you need 1 glass. So please, before I tell you when and for how long, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. If you're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, go to YouTube, look for Easy Tips 256 YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, my home remedy doesn't have overdose and no side effects. So when you take it, you become strong and you appreciate my presence. My name is Coach Uganda. Leave the name of your country in the comment section. I'll be happy to see where you come from. So I want you to take 1 glass immediately after mixing this home remedy. Take it on your empty stomach before eating anything. It means you don't eat anything before you take 1 glass of this home remedy. After mixing it immediately, drink it or take it immediately. And trust me, you have to take it less than 4 weeks. It means minimum 1 month. You'll be shocked with the results because chia seeds, cinnamon powder, natural honey and lemon juice, when it comes to giving you a flat tummy, losing weight, becoming strong, is the number 1. Just take 1 glass like this every day on your empty stomach. Thank me later. Stop fighting for losing weight. Stop crying. Stop stressing yourself. This is the best home remedy you can use to become a real person in life. Take it every day for less than 4 weeks.